But like I look at everything and I say, any course that I put on, if I'm not giving back 10 times what they're paying to me, then I've done something wrong as a coach. And, I know you have, easily similar or even greater targets for your people that you work with. Um, but you've got to, even if you don't have the disposable ready capital, this becomes an asset to you. You know, I put in a lot of money into grants so far. There's no question. And I can probably tell you out of the tens of thousands of dollars that I've put in already, I'm seeing literally probably 10 times back on that. And not only has that been a fairly short time for return, but I get to carry that out for forever because I'm never going to unlearn what I've learned.
It's a system. That's something that I always express to people. When you learn a methodology and you learn a system and a strategy that works, it's going to consistently produce that positive ROI over time. Anything, no, nothing, if you're looking for that get rich quick type of thing, it's never going to work. You want to play the long game, right? I always tell people it's your business should be built and structured like a marathon, not like a sprint.
Yes.
And that those are the people that end up winning in the long run because they're staying in the game. They're tweaking, refining, and doing what it is that they need to do. There's not a year that goes by where Nancy and I are not investing back into our business because when you think you know everything, you know nothing. So we're always investing in other people, other courses, other programs, team members, whatever the case may be, to help us continue to grow and scale. So, so Brian, if someone was to, ask you, what, even though there's a lot of 10x certified coaches out there, what makes Brian different than other certified coaches?